Hi, my name is Mrs. Webster-Wheeler. I'm the band teacher here at Weber Middle School. Welcome to our open house event of 2021. Here in the band family at Weber, we are so excited to learn about your student and to help them learn about playing their instrument. In this first year, some of the foundational knowledge that they will acquire is to be able to produce sound on their instrument, to be able to apply the learning of note names and music reading to making music on their instrument. If you've never had a musical instrument before, it's all right, you're not alone. Further, if you are nervous about starting to read music because you may not have had a lot of experience, that is also something that a lot of people will share. We'll take you wherever you are and take you as far as you can go. One of the joys that I find about being a music teacher is that we are privileged to be able to have relationships with students for not just hopefully their first year, but for years to come when students decide to stay in the music program here at Weber. I've been at Weber for 13 out of the 23 years here in Poudre School District, and I've been so happy to call this home. One of the other things that we look forward to is that we get to introduce the instruments to your students and be able to let them grow and flourish finding a voice. So students can pick between flute, clarinet, trumpet, French horn, trombone, baritone, tuba, and percussion instruments. If you want to play the saxophone, you will need to start out on the clarinet as is our practice in most PSD schools. Also, playing bass clarinet is an option for you if you start on clarinet and decide you want a deeper voice. Playing oboe or bassoon is all right. You just need to either start on flute or clarinet. Why these starter instruments? Well, because they give you skills that will apply to others. An instrument is a terrific endeavor and it challenges us in new ways, but it also gives us a way to be creative, to problem solve, to be social, to have connections, and to have a voice that is uniquely your own. We make music, we can be really loud, we can make mistakes, we recover, we support each other. So in the band room, we have a very large space. Sometimes the collapsible wall will come down and you can spread out into the cafeteria area, especially in the time where we need a little more physical distance to do this endeavor safely. I look forward to working with you. Please let me know if you have any questions. You can always reach out to me at jwebster@psdschools.org. Please be also looking for a introductory video that's coming through your middle schools on the different instruments that you can choose. Have a wonderful evening and thanks again.